'Cause every time we touch, I get this feeling. And every time we kiss, I swear I could fly. Can't you feel my heart beat fast? My world is still lost. Need you by my.
Hello, it's Roger from Gospel Boat. Today I'm sitting on this huge fishing boat. The size is 9.6 meter with a 3 meter on the beam. So you can see how wide the fishing space is. It's good for the 5 or 6 people fishing on this vessel. You can see the length of the rail deck, 1, 2, 3, 4. So totally about 4 meter for the fishing space. And we have the big fuel tank in the middle with the inspection hatch. And on the side, we designed this fish tank. It's about 120 liters. And the design with a cabin door. So makes watertight for this boat when you operation on the offshore rough oceans. And another feature that is important is the design with the all extension roof. It's good for the country which have a very big storm. And on the back we have the big battery box. So it's good for 2 batteries inside, and all the piping for the outboard engines, for everything is inside this one. Then we have this huge cutting board with a fish tank and clear windows. So this is quite good for the fishing. Then another feature is you have two walkaway on the back. So see, very easy, and same design for the fishing gauge. So it's good fishing here when you have the big fish. Then when you see from the port side, we have this side door. It's good design. It's a very big door and very strong. Then now we walk inside the cabin to see the cabin look like. Now I'm inside of the cabin interior of this 9.6 meter Profisher boat, and this boat is just like it have everything you need. It has big sleeping cabin with open. It's good for the 3 people sleeping inside. It have the adjustable table for the you can eat, you can play cards or something, make the recreations. So another seat from outside seat. And then the big dashboard is a very big screen. So you can put all the screens on this dashboard, the electronics, the music player, all the gauges. And then you can see around this cabin, actually is all cabin to be carpeted. So this is very good to make look more nicer. It absorbs the noise when you operation on the offshore, so not too much noise. And you can see on the roof it's mixed more cleaning, and we have this small skylight on the roof. It's a good for the opening for the air ventilations. And then you can see we have this a good grab rail when you have more passenger inside. We have the rainy weathers, the captain seat, a big space for people sitting here. It can be also opening. to be like a storage with these drawers, two drawers, and this fridge, domestic fridge, and cooking facilities with the cooking and for the sink, so you can put another good space for food storage. And then you have the TMC toilet. It's a shower for the fresh water, and you have a small. It's another small sink inside of the toilet room. So this is a very good design. And then the sliding window on the side for the air ventilation. So after you check the interior of this boat, you can see it have all the functionals, the toilet room, the sleeping space, the table, a lot of sitting space, the underfloor storage, the roof skylight, and all cabin cabinet. So this is a perfect boat for the offshore fishing. When you have a lot of friends, when you have the big family, this one is perfect. After we see the interior of the boat, now we jump back to the exterior of the boat. You can see from the background, it's a very big boat. It's very huge. The size is 9.6 meter on the length and 3 meter on the beam. So this is a very big fishing boat and very big boat. It can be trailer on the road as well. So this a lot of customer, they want a bigger boat. They can use for the chartering, for the group fishing, and you have the big family and you want to the very far offshore. This one is the perfect choice for you. On the back, you can see we design with a fishing gauge. It's good for the fishing. So you can standing here, and it's another two fishing space. On the transom is designed with a twin outboard engines and two big Lincoln trim tabs, and it's a more bracket for the annoyed and the LED underwater light. So on the back is quite good space as well for the maintenance of the outboard engines. Another very good selling point is this one have a very big extension roof. It's all around from the cabin extension to the back of the boat with two support on the back. So it makes very easy for the sound proof. And also you can see we design with this ladder, step ladder. You can be just stepping there and go to the jump on the roof for the sunbathing, for the fishing, recreations. It's a lot of space on the roof. So these are main features of this 9.6 meter Profishers. So if you want more information for this boat, please contact Roger on the WhatsApp and send me the email to roger@gospelboat.cm. Thank you. Bye.